The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Perry County and central Arkansas, southwestern Conway County and central Arkansas, northwestern Saline County and central Arkansas, central Yell County and central Arkansas, south central Pope, P.O.P.E. County and central Arkansas until midnight Central Standard Time. At 11:43 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Plainview in Yell County, or near Danville, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Danville, Olin,